Thor Challenger 37TB. As we approach, you'll see the beautiful full-body paint with gel-coated sidewalls, giving it a high-end automotive finish. This luxury Class A is built on the proven Ford F-53 chassis with a powerful Triton V10 engine and rides smoothly on 22.5-inch aluminum wheels. The sleek, frameless windows complete its modern look. Let's step inside. The cockpit is designed for comfort on long drives with leatherette captain's chairs, a power driver's seat, and a touchscreen dash radio with Bluetooth. The massive windshield features a power roller shade for privacy and sun protection. Moving into the living area, you're greeted by residential vinyl flooring and high-gloss glazed wood cabinetry. This space is incredibly versatile, with a dream dinette booth, a leatherette sofa bed, and an electric fireplace that adds both warmth and ambiance. For extra guests, a power drop-down bunk with a cotton cloud mattress is ready at the touch of a button. The kitchen is a chef's dream, featuring solid surface countertops, a decorative tile backsplash, and a massive 22 cubic foot stainless steel residential refrigerator. You have all the tools you need with a recessed 3-burner cooktop and a 30-inch convection microwave. As we walk toward the rear, you'll find one of this coach's best features, the bunk beds. Each has its own TV and can be converted into a sofa or even a closet, offering amazing flexibility. This model also boasts a convenient bath-and-a-half layout, with a half bath located right here mid-coach. Continuing back, we enter the master suite, which features a spacious Denver mattress king bed. The full rear bathroom feels just like home, with a porcelain foot-flush toilet, a large shower with a glass door, and it's even prepped for a washer and dryer combo. Walking back through this beautiful coach, you'll notice entertainment is everywhere. With a 40-inch LED TV in the living area, a 32-inch TV in the bedroom, and of course the TVs in the bunk area. Now let's take a walk around the outside. Setting up camp is effortless thanks to the automatic leveling jacks and the power patio awning with integrated LED lighting. Slide-out toppers protect your slides, and you have plenty of gear storage in the basement pass-through compartments. With an 8,000-pound tow hitch, you can bring a vehicle or trailer along for the ride. Power is never an issue with the Onan 5.5 kilowatt generator, dual air conditioning units, and an 1,800-watt inverter. For outdoor fun, there's an exterior 32-inch LED TV and speakers connected to the coach radio system. This Thor Challenger blends comfort, technology, and practical luxury, making it the perfect choice for any adventure. To see the full specifications, the MSRP, all the photos, and more, be sure to check out the link in the description below.